Morning. Dumped up Montreal last night. 32 degrees, thunder and lightning, pouring, raining. Crazy ass shit. Who's this gay guy coming with a Kenworth? So I decided to stop here at the Border View for some of the world's greatest chicken for breakfast. That's some high quality chicken wings right there, boys. They even sell these weird Maine lobster hot dogs everybody rants and raves about here. Nothing like a mango habanero wing for breakfast, boys. Well, I had some time to kill, so thought we'd swing by here and visit Mom and Dad in Vermont. Ha! April Fools! This is actually AI generated. We're gonna take Dad's ball-sack blue feminine Ford for a ride and go visit an old high school buddy. Jack Daniels, if you please. Dad, did you notice my buddy Zach pulled them frame rails out of that truck all by himself?
I did. But work is made for fools, mules, and machines. And I don't see any long ears on him.
All the way to France.
How about it? Here at my buddy Chris Benoit's shop. Well, I'll be damned. Looks like he's got some free heat, too. Even got a few nice logs here that are prettier than Jennifer Aniston. Boy, oh boy, Dad ain't gonna be happy. I got his ball-sack blue feminine Ford all shitted up. Well, by the looks of things, boys, we're gonna talk a little about farming, logging, trailer trucking, how she wiggles when she walks, and how fast them trucks can go. We got the old GMC top kick feed truck over here. I ain't gonna lie, boys. This right here is an old Vermont wood cutting machine. What'd you do this winter, Chris?
Put some wheel weights on her. Give her a little more traction. She'll really pull the wood now.
How about it? Well, I'll tell you what, boys. I was just out here pissing next to Dad's dirty ball-sack blue feminine Ford right alongside of Chris's John Deere backhoe, and I just realized he has a dug well out back, and that is definitely the well from the movie The Ring. You guys see that movie? Scared the living shit out of me. I'm waiting to see that crazy bitch crawl out of there on all fours. Hey, Chris.
Yes.
That's a pretty nice drawbar you got right there. I love hanging out in my old buddy's shops. Well, I just got home. I'm sorry, Dad. I got your pickup all shitted up.
That's all right. It's aluminum and it will not rust.
You're right. Mom.
I don't want to be on.
Mom.
No.
Mom.
I don't want to be on.
Mom. Mom. What are we having for supper?
Salmon pea wiggle, your favorite.
Oh, salmon pea wiggle. Mom.
Yes.
I love how you toss the salad. What are we having for supper tonight?
Your favorite. Salmon pea wiggle.
Shit.
What else?
Hey, tabernacle. Hot damn, that's better than any kind of $200 steak you'd ever see down on 4th Street, boys. This is my mom and dad's cat, Manu. She's having a problem.
Manu is 13 years old now.
She does a little catnipping.
Boy, she's a hussy. Manu, what's wrong with you? Right here, Mom.
We're treating her for hyperthyroidism. Did you ever hear such a thing?
No, what the hell's that?
Well,
It's just a goddamn barn cat.
her thyroid is overactive.
I think I have that problem.
No, yours is underactive.
No, boy, you're mean. I'll tell you what, boys, I clean that up like a homeless guy.
Well, it looks to me like you've contributed to your hypothyroidism.
Mom, you're so mean. So mean. All right, you sons of bitches. I'll see you later.